Hi, I'm Jeanette. This is my new Medion Overlocker, which has just been delivered from Aldi. I bought it as a special buy for £130. Let's see what we've got. Carefully open it up. It's well packaged. Put the blade away. Ooh. Out she comes. Put that there. Delivery note. Packaging. Let's get rid of the box. Let's see what we've got. So on the outside of the box, we've got the same information on the top, the front and this side. So it tells us it's an Overlock sewing machine. It's an MD 19077. On this side, we've got 4 images, and then on this side, we've got a list of features and accessories. Let's open up and see what's inside. Carefully does it. Very well sellotaped up. Push that over this side. So we have a cover. Just a sort of plasticky, quite thin cover. Then we have the footer. I'll take out so you can see. It's pretty standard, normal sewing machine type. Get rid of the styrene. We have an instruction book. We'll just check that it is in English. We have the warranty, after sales, user manual, and it's all in English throughout. And there are 66 pages in the manual. Then we have the Overlocker itself. Lift out carefully. Make sure there's nothing else in the box. No. So it's come. Threaded up. Rid of that, it's sellotaped. Right, so here's our machine. It's come with 4 threads. You open the front flap by pushing, and then that comes down, and 2 of the threads are threaded up through here and the other 2 in there, so it's all threaded up. At the moment it's arrived with the tensions, all 4 tensions set to 2. So to put the flap back, it's just an up and back thing here. You get a carry handle, and then here we have the side point, which is a little bit stiff, but it's cold, the machine. And in here we have some goodies. Let's see what we get. This is what was in our pack of accessories that we found in this part. We have a pack of spare needles, 5 needles in there. We have a replacement blade for the upper knife and a replacement blade for the lower knife. 3 screwdrivers, small, medium and large. A thread cutter with a lint brush on the end. Set of tweezers. we have a 2-thread converter, we have an oil can without any oil in, we have 4 spool caps, and then we have 4 spool nets. These are just plastic white nets really. And that's it, guys. I'm a novice. I'm really looking forward to playing with it. If I find anything out that may be useful, I'll post another video. Thank you. Bye bye.